Today we're at Stephen Wortham Park. Let's go. Now, right now I'm walking in Stephen Wortham Park, and connected to Stephen Wortham Park is Rhodine or Rhodine Nature Preserve. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but it's up ahead in a short bit, and there's a few loops you can walk. I've been to this park a few times before, and it's a lot of fun to walk around here. It's a beautiful day here in Florida. It's in the 70s. Very pleasant out here, not hot, not cold, just right for walking. So right up here, we have the trail intersection. And if we keep going that way, we will stay on the Stephen Wortham Loop Trail. But we're gonna go this way, and this goes out to the Rhodine or Rhodine, I don't know how you pronounce it, preserve. And there's a lot more trails out there, and we're gonna see where we can get to today before it gets dark. All right, we just made it inside the Rhodine Scrub Nature Preserve from Stephen Wortham Park. It's beautiful like it was last time. I'll flip the camera around here. You can see we have a lot of palmetto to look at. Loving this Spanish moss up here. Still out here on the red trail. Haven't made it to an intersection yet. See another blazed tree with the red on it. Hopefully I get to one of the loops soon. I'd like to walk at least one of the loops. Well, we finally came to another intersection. So I got some choices up here. I can either go this way or I can go this way. I think we're gonna go this way. Now it's a game of which way do I go? When I came here before, I think I went that way, which is the red trail. It's a little shorter, but I've never been on the blue trail, and I think if I walk quick enough, I think I can make the loop. So let's go check it out. I think I'm about halfway through this blue loop I'm walking right now. Just looked at the time, and in slightly less than an hour it'll be sunset, and that's when the park closes. So I think I'm doing okay on pace. I just gotta keep moving and try to avoid stopping if I want to make it out on time. So, but golden hour, it's a beautiful time of the day. I don't know if you noticed behind me right here, but I'm seeing a few trees leaning over, even some going that way, and I'm wondering if that might have been from the hurricanes a few months ago. I don't know for sure, but it's possible. Another leaning tree. That post right there is telling me we are at the Yellow Trail Loop intersection. And I would love to walk down that loop and show you all that loop. I just don't have time this evening to walk that trail. So I'm gonna continue on the blue trail to get back to the red trail, to get back to Stephen Wortham Park and head back to the truck because it's getting late. I got to this trail marker here and I pulled out the map just to confirm, and the trailhead it's taking me to is we're entered at Stephen Wortham Park, and I'm gonna follow this trail to head back to that park to get back to the truck. I don't have a lot of time. I have about 20 minutes to get back to the truck, so I'm really gonna have to pick up the pace. I probably won't do a lot of filming. And I'm just gonna put this up anyway. A helicopter's coming and it's gonna mess up my audio. See you in a bit. I'm taking the trail I came in on. That's the quickest way to get back to the truck. It'd be fun to do the little loop here in Stephen Wortham Park, but I just don't have time for that this evening before the park closes. So I should be back to the truck pretty soon. If you ever come here though, there are restrooms at this park, so you can use the restroom if you need to, assuming they're open when you're here. And there's also a playground if you got kids, so that's one thing you might want to note. Thanks for going hiking with me today. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and have a great day.